I eat
I eat.
crab,
What? Did,
chicken,
oh,
crab,
chicken. Chicken?
crab and chicken.
Oh, chicken and rice? Rice and chicken?
Yeah,
How about
and crab,
vegetables?
and crab.
Oh, crab. Wow, that's delicious. How about vegetables? Did you not eat vegetables today? No?
Yeah,
Oh, you also ate vegetables or no? No, you don't eat vegetables for today? How about uh for lunch? What did you eat for lunch earlier?
I eat
I eat. What did you eat for lunch? Hmm. Did you also eat rice and chicken for lunch?
which
Yes or no? Rice and chicken also? Oh, wow. Okay, how about what did you do at this day? Did you go to school? Yes or
yeah,
no? Oh, wow. How was school? Is school fun? Did you had fun at school?
yes,
Yes. And do you have a homework?
homework. What's homework?
Homework. Homework is the things that you do, or it is the school things that you do at home. It is the activity that teacher gave you. Do you have a homework? No?
What?
Huh? You don't know homework?
Yes, I am.
Oh, yes, I have. Did you already finish your homework? You already
What?
finished? Yes or
No,
no?
I'm not finished.
Oh no, you're not still not finished. It's okay. You still have time after our class. But where is Jang? Is Jang will not come to the class today?
Yes,
Oh, Jang will not come to the class?
yes,
Are you sure? Jang said?
no.
Ah, no. Okay, let me just message Jang's parents before we start this lesson. Let me just chat. Will Jang, hmm, will Jang attend the class today? Will Jang attend the class today? Thank you so much. Okay. Okay, so now let us start our lesson for today now. So let's look at the title of our lesson. What can you see? It is, let's read. It is
Fall.
fall. Very good. So fall is another season. So we already learned about summer and spring.
Spring.
So yes, so now we will go to fall.
Winter.
We will go to fall.
Teacher,
How
today we will play bamboozle.
yes, if Jang is in the class, we will play. But
Oh, one.
yes, but if not, you don't have someone to play with if we play bamboozle today.
I play.
We will just, do you want to play a spelling game after?
You play puppy playtime.
Oh, puppy playtime? After the class. We are not allowed to play puppy playtime while studying. Do you want to play a spelling game?
What's okay?
Yes,
I
later.
don't know.
Ah,
A
hmm?
pokey.
Pokey?
Pokey.
What is that?
Yeah.
What is that?
Is the game pokey very fun?
Oh, how do you spell that?
Poki.
P-O-K-I. Oh, it is not connected in our lesson. We must have a game. that is connected to our lesson. Okay, so let's try to play a game after this one, okay?
Play bamboozle.
Yes, after this one. So we will just start our lesson first. So this is the lesson about fall. So when we say fall, it is a season, a season where the weather starts to get cooler and the leaves and also the leaves on the tree change color. Okay, so as we can see,
Yellow. This
very
green, change,
yes,
yellow.
yes, very good. So green and yellow. How about this one? Let me just look at this tree. So this one, this is one of example that we can see, especially in the fall. This, what is the color of the leaves on the tree?
It's yellow
It's
and orange.
yellow. Yellow and orange, very good. So most probably, so when we have the season fall, so most of the trees have the color orange and yellow on their leaves. So it when we say fall, so most of the leaves on the trees also fall from the trees. That's why, as you can see in the picture, so there are a lot of tree leaves
Leaf.
in the yes, there are a lot of tree or leaves of the tree in the floor. So that is fall. So that is what we will learn for today. So now let's go to our first word here. Let's learn some
A
words.
moon. A moon.
A moon, very good. This is a moon. What is the color of the moon
It's
in the fall?
orange.
Orange, very good. So it's a moon. So good job. Next, what is this?
A leaf.
A leaf. Very good. It's a leaf. Next, how about this one? What?
It's a cone.
It's a corn. Wow. Very good. Next, what is
It's a
this?
jacket.
It's a jacket. Perfect. Very good. Next. Oh, there
Oh,
is Jack.
yay.
Yes, we can
It's
play.
pumpkin.
Hello, Jack.
It's pumpkin.
Oh,
Hello. I'm in
it's
the
it's pumpkin berry.
bedroom level 260.
Wow. Wow. 260. So
Yes.
how are you today, Jang? It's nice to see you again. Okay, so for our lesson today, Jang, so we will have fall. So when we say fall, so since we have the season, summer and spring, so now we have fall. Hello. So when we say fall, it is the season where the weather starts to get cooler and the leaves on the trees changes color. Like for example, this one. Look at this, Chang. So Nam already saw this picture. How about you? What can you see in the color of the tree in this picture? Or what is the color of the tree?
It's yellow and orange.
Okay, very good. It's yellow and orange. So when it is the fall season, it is this is what
Teacher,
we
the
can see.
stem too. I can see the stem too. The stem is brown.
Yes, the stem is brown. Very good. So this is what we can see when we have the fall season. So, okay. So the tree or the tree leaves changes its colors and it falls to the floor. Okay, so that is fall. So now, so we have here some words that Jang
Pumpkin,
or Nam
pumpkin,
already
moon,
yeah.
leaf, corn, jacket, pumpkin.
Okay, very good. Moon, leaf, corn.
Supercar.
Very good. Super corn. And the next one is
Pumpkin.
pumpkin. Very good. How about the next one? What do you think is these?
apple?
It's an apple.
No,
Very good.
super apple.
Super apple. It's a super apple.
Teacher, what apple? What apple?
What?
What apple?
What appy?
You
What?
say A-P-P-L-Y.
APPLY? Apple, not apply.
Oh,
Super apple.
super teacher.
Super teacher. Next one. What do you think is this? Have you already seen this one before?
Um,
What's,
can.
what is this? It starts with letter A. It's an
Corn. Corn.
acorn. One more time. Let's say acorn.
It's not a nut.
Yes,
A
it is
nut.
very good. It is a kind of nut. So this is what squirrels. This is what the animals squirrels eat. Acorn. So like this. Let me just squirrels eating acorn. Chinin. This one. This is what the animal squirrels eat. So it is an acorn. Ching. Oh, let me have some clear picture. Okay, this. Oh, it's so little. Where is the this one? Acorn.
No.
So yeah, so that is the acorn. So squirrels likes to eat acorn. As you can see, there are a lot of acorns in the squirrel's mouth. So this is their food. So it is a kind of nut. So we call it acorn. So next, how about the last word here? Do you know what is this?
No.
No. So we call it rake. Rake. Okay. Let's say what is this again? Jang and Nam? What is this?
A, a moon cake.
A moon cake. It's a
Moon.
it's this one.
A moon cake. No,
Moon
it
rake.
is a map.
It's
A
it's
map.
not it's not a map. So the map looks like this. This one. Map, map, map. So map looks like this. Ching. This is the map. And
Wait, teacher.
this is a rake. Ching. So this is a map and this is a rake. So a rake is metal. A rake is metal or stainless steel. However, the mop, it is like a cloth. Okay.
It's 14,
What?
7, teacher. 17.
170.
See, see Roblox.
Roblox? Where?
Yes. This. Do you have Roblox? In the right. Teacher. Do you have
In-
Roblox?
In the rake?
Yes.
I saw it also. Okay. But it's not part of our lesson. Okay, so let's just finish this lesson and we will play a game after. Okay? So first, let's go with our first word here. Again, what is this?
The apple. The apple.
It's the apple. Very good.
It's super apple.
It's a super apple. Good job. And what is the color of the super apple?
It's red.
It's red. Good job. It's color red. So now, do you like to eat apple?
No. No. Yes.
Oh, no. Yes or no?
No.
No? Why no? Apple is very delicious. It is also
I
healthy because it is a fruit.
eat carrot.
Oh, carrot? Do you like carrot?
Yes.
Yes, okay. So
Don't like carrot.
what?
I don't like carrot.
Ah, you don't like carrots? Why don't you like carrots?
And a carrot.
What is that are you eating?
No.
Why don't you like carrots, Nam? Carrot
He don't
is
like
very
carrot.
it's Nam. It's very
This
delicious,
color
Nam.
green. It's
The
not
carrot.
good.
I,
Oh, it's not good. Carrots is good for your health.
I
Especially if
don't
you
like carrots.
oh you don't like carrots. Okay.
I like macaroni.
You like bacon?
No, it is color red. It's color green.
Color green, yes.
No,
Apples
I like
also
rabbit.
is core. You like
Rabbit.
rabbit?
Rabbit.
What is that? You like what?
No, I like dung. I like dung.
Dang?
Yes.
Jang? You like jang?
Yes.
Okay, so for this one, this is an apple. So good job for Jang. So apple is also green. We have a green apple in real life.
Yellow apple and red apples.
Yes, we also have a yellow apple.
A
Oh
pink
yes.
apple.
Oh yes, we do have a yellow apple. I can see here. And this one, we also have a green apple.
Do you know yellow apple? Yellow watermelon.
Yellow watermelon?
Yes.
Do we have a yellow watermelon?
Yes.
Oh yeah, we have, but we don't have it here in our place. We only have a yellow watermelon. Is it
I
good?
can see rainbow watermelon.
Rainbow watermelon? Where? Where?
It's
Huh?
a rainbow watermelon.
Where? This one?
This.
This? Oh, it's not rainbow. It just has I think it just has a sauce. Yeah. This is a watermelon.
Young.
Oh. Nam, what is the taste of a yellow watermelon? Did you already eat a yellow watermelon?
No, I don't like watermelon. It's a rainbow watermelon.
Rainbow water. We don't have rainbow watermelon. Do we have? Let's check.
Yeah.
Oh
Yes,
no,
it's rainbow watermelon.
it's not real.
This.
No, it is only
This.
cartoon. This?
Yes.
It is homemade. It is homemade. Not. It's not a watermelon. It has strawberry. It has pineapple. It's not a watermelon. But yeah, what a rainbow watermelon does not exist in real
This.
life.
This. This.
Where? This?
No, this.
Where?
This.
This? Oh, it's just an edited picture.
No.
No, it's not real. Oh no. It's just
This.
a poster.
This.
Where? This?
Then.
It's a
Yes.
cartoon.
No,
It's a toy. Okay. So now let's go back to our lesson. So this is an apple. Yes. So an apple, so we mostly see it in the fall season. We can see later, we are still not done. We can see apples in the fall season. So it is apple picking time when it is fall season. So that's why we have here apple. So next thing, okay, what is these?
acorn.
Acorn or acorn?
Acorn.
Yes, so it is read as acorn. So this is an acorn. So an acorn An acorn fall from oak trees, and squirrels or animals like squirrels collect them. Okay, so this is an acorn. So as we can see earlier in the picture, so the squirrel likes to eat acorns. Okay, so now next, let's go to the next one. Okay, again, what is this? It's
Corn. A corn.
it's the corn. Very good. It's the corn. So a corn is also the common thing that we can see in the fall season. Most farmers
My
harvest
mom,
corn in the fall. Okay, so now do you eat?
mom fry the corn.
You fry
I
a
see
corn?
many fried chicken in. I see many fried chicken in the fall.
Oh, you see many fried chicken in the fall?
My grandpa and my grandpa has a corn.
Oh, do you eat corn from your grandpa and grandma? Do you eat corn, Ajang?
Yes.
Oh, how about you, Nam? Do you eat corn, Nam?
Yes.
Yes, very good. How about popcorn? Popcorn. Do you eat popcorn?
Yes.
Yes, so popcorn is made from corn. So if we fry the seeds of the corn or this one, if we fry
Oh, what corn? What
this
corn?
what? Corn.
Peter. See?
It's corn. So if we fry this and dried it, so it will become popcorn. So it is what we eat when we watch movies. Okay? So now what is usually the color? What is usually the color of corns?
It's yellow.
Yellow, very good. Yellow.
Brown.
It's brown?
Yes.
Or,
Has corn brown.
brown corn. Yes, we have a brown corn. This one. And then we have a brown corn. This is a brown corn. So we have brown. We also have yellow
Red corn.
corn. Yes,
The
a red
red
corn.
corn.
Yes, very
Teacher, the
good.
red corn.
Yes, we also have a red corn. Okay,
My
so
grandpa, a rainbow. My grandpa has
we,
a pine, a rainbow corn.
we don't have a
Teacher, a
rainbow
rainbow
corn.
corn. The rainbow corn.
We don't have a rainbow corn. We only have
We have.
no. It
Yes.
if we have that, it's not real. We only have yellow, brown, red. So that are the colors of the
Rainbow.
corn
And rainbow.
and rainbow. Okay, so next. Let's go with our next things that we can see in the fall season. What is this?
The pumpkin.
The pumpkin, very good. So this is a
It
pumpkin.
can make in the Halloween.
Very good. Pumpkins are used for Halloween. It is being
I don't like
made.
Halloween.
Oh, you don't like Halloween? Why
The
don't you like?
pumpkin is heavy. It's 72.5 kg.
Okay, very good. Kilogram. It's kg, kilogram. Very good. So most pumpkins are heavy because pumpkins can grow big. So most
Teacher, eat a wish.
what?
Teacher, eat a wish.
Which?
Teacher, what a wish.
What a wish?
Yes,
What wish?
I should know the wish.
Why do we have to wish?
It's a wish.
Which? Oh, it's
Yeah.
which. Which. Not wish. It's which. Which. Ch. Not wish. One more time. Let's say which.
Which?
Very good. Very good. Not wish. So it is not wish, but which. Okay. So next. This is a pumpkin. What is usually the color of the pumpkin? Of a pumpkin? What is the color of the pumpkin? Its color? It is usually
color green.
color. Oh, we have a green. Oh, yes, we have a green pumpkin, especially if it's not ripe.
No. Green
Yes, we
here.
have.
Green
It is
here.
it is green outside. It is leaves. These are the leaves of the pumpkin. But for pumpkin, so it is green outside, but yellow or orange inside. Okay, this is a pumpkin. So pumpkin for Halloween. This is a pumpkin for Halloween. So most pumpkins that are used for Halloween are color
I like
orange.
this.
What do you like?
A
This
cat.
one? A cat?
Yes. A cat. It's a spooky.
Spooky. Yes, this is spooky. So this is what we can see
I
in the
see.
Halloween.
I need two eye in the pumpkin.
Two yes, there is
You attack the spooky pumpkin.
spooky pumpkin. Okay, so that is a pumpkin.
Teacher,
Okay,
I want to see the spooky pumpkin.
where?
In
Later, how will we be able to play bamboozle if we not finish the lesson today? Okay, so next. Again, what is this? Nam and Jam.
the rake.
The
rake.
rake. Very good. So the rake is used to gather
Gather.
leaves that falls from the tree. So like this one. So let's see a rake.
We will
What?
play bamboozle.
Later, we'll still not finish.
In 8:35.
8:35. No, we're still not finished. Okay, so this is a rake. Uh, let's have a bit video.
Video.
Yeah, I'm finding a video.
A video or not a video.
Oh, this one. So this is okay. It's loading. So this is how we use rake. Oh, it's loading. Okay, this is how we use rake. So it is like what do you call that? A sweep. Yeah. So this is what we use to gather leaves, especially those leaves that falls from the tree. So that is a rake. We have okay. So next,
No.
what? What is it? Okay, so next. Okay, what is this?
The mooncake.
The moon cake. Moon cake? Is it a cake?
This
it
is
is
a mooncake.
it is only a moon. So a moon cake. So it is a kind of cake. Do you like moon cake? Or have you already eaten a moon cake?
No.
No. How about Jang?
Uh,
This one, it's a moon cake.
it,
Have you already eaten a moon cake?
yes. I
Oh,
don't like to eat the mooncake.
you don't like to eat. Why?
I don't like it.
You also don't like to eat moon
Because
cakes?
the mooncake is sweet.
It's very,
Sweet.
oh, it's very sweet. Oh, you don't like sweet foods?
Yes. Teacher, I
Wow.
have an idea.
What idea? You will have, you will, you will draw the eyes of the moon. Where is the nose and the mouth of the moon?
I can draw a mouse.
Oh, why? Why can't you draw? Oh, yeah, you can draw. What is that? Why is the mouth of the moon is color white? Why is it color white? Okay, so this is the moon. Okay, what is the color of the moon? What color is the moon in the picture?
No, it's Moonma.
Moon. What is the color of the moon? It is color. Is it color white? Is the moon color white or yellow
White
or
and
orange?
orange.
Okay, very good.
It's
It's
white and
or
orange.
moon man. It is the moon man. Okay.
It's,
Yes,
it's white.
it's white. It's white because you draw a white. Okay, so now teacher has another question. When do you see the moon? Can you see the moon in the morning or at night?
At night. Morning.
Hmm? Are you sure in the morning?
At night.
Yes, very good, Nam. So we can only see moon at night. So in the
No.
morning, later, wait,
Bambuzo.
bye bye. So in the morning, we can only see a sun.
Bambuzo. Bambuzo. Bambuzo.
Later, wait, we're still not finished. Oh no,
Oh.
we will not play if you will not listen to teacher. Okay, so this next. What is this?
The jacket.
It's the
The
jacket.
super jacket.
The super jacket. Okay. So this is what we wear, especially in the fall season, because it is very cool. And
Because it's really big. But the jacket is really spooky.
why the jacket is very spooky? It has an
I'm
eyes.
really scared. Yes, it has eyes. This.
Uh, uh, it has a okay. So now look at the jacket. What color is the jacket? Color?
Yellow.
Yellow, very good. How about you, Nam and Jang? Do you have a jacket?
Teacher, I can see. Teacher, I can see brown and black. Black
Brown.
too.
You can see
And
brown and black
gray.
too. And
And
gray.
gray.
The gray is colors, the zipper. Okay, so do you have a jacket, Nam and
Yes.
Jang?
Yes.
Yes. What is the
Three jackets.
oh, 3 jackets? That's a lot. How about you, Nam? How many is your jackets or how many are your jackets?
It's many. I don't know.
Oh, it's many. And what is your favorite color of your jacket?
Um, um, blue jacket.
Oh, blue jacket. How about Jang? What is your jacket
No, a
or your
pink
favorite
jacket.
jacket's
The
color?
pink jacket.
For Jang?
Yeah,
For
a pink jacket.
you, you, your favorite jacket is the pink jacket?
No, it's black.
It's
It's
black.
pink. It's
It's
pink. It's pink.
it's black. Okay. So do you like wearing jackets?
No,
No.
because
Why?
because in
In
um
No, because it's hot. Because it's
Because
hot.
it's summer now.
Yes, very good. Because it's summer now and it's very hot. So we shouldn't wear jackets.
It's really bright.
Yes, it's very bright. Okay, so next, let's have our next one. Ching, what do we call this?
The leaf. A super leaf.
A super leaf. Very good. So in the fall season, so leaves turn color red, orange, and yellow. So these are the color that we can see for the tree leaves when it is fall season. Okay, so now, what have you already seen a yellow leaf or are yellow leaves?
Yes.
Yes. How about Chang? Have you already seen a yellow leaf?
I see a blue leaf.
Oh, blue leaf? Where did you
Yes.
saw? Where where did you saw a blue leaf?
Story.
In the
In the story.
in the story? What story?
Story.
Yes, what story? What kind of story did you saw a blue
No.
leaf?
I don't know.
I don't know. How,
No. A
how about
teacher's story.
teacher
Yes.
story? Where did you see a blue leaf?
No, Adang.
Can I see? I think Jang will get it. Is that a leaf? I
A
can
shark.
see it. It's a shark. It's not a
No.
leaf. Can you put it in front of you? Put it in front of you. I can see it. I cannot see it.
Teacher,
It's brain rot.
I have a new favorite toy now.
Oh, what is your new
I have
favorite
a
toy?
new Lego.
Oh, wow. Can I see your new Lego?
Oh,
What is your new Lego? Can I see? Can I see? Oh, wow. Wow, what is that? Can I see? I did not see. Oh, wow. What is that? Is that a transformer? Transformer Lego? No. What kind of Lego is that? What is the
teacher,
name?
my grandma has two TV.
Oh, wow. Your grandma has two TV. That's a
Her
lot.
name is yes.
Do you watch
Teacher can
TV?
see me.
Yes, I can see you. Oh, do you watch movies in your grandma's TV?
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Sue. Orange
Susan?
Sue.
Suzu? Susan?
Yes. Yes. Orange
Susano.
Sue. Orange
Susano.
Sue.
How do you pronounce that? Susano?
Yes.
Susano. Oh, is it Naruto?
Yes.
Oh, I think is that hmm, is that Sasuke?
Yes.
Oh, wow, that's very good. Can I see it again? Can I see it? Oh, oh, wow, that's good. Okay, like this one. Ching.
Yes.
It's Susano. Wow. How much is that?
Bye bye, teacher.
Oh,
Teacher,
bye-bye.
I have new Susan. My brother have one Susano.
Oh,
Teacher, I
wow.
have an idea.
What is your idea?
He's my brother Susano.
Oh, it's color blue. Blue Susano. Wow, and you have a purple. How about the orange Susano? Do you have that?
No, don't
Oh,
have.
no. Oh, don't have. It's okay. So now, so good job. So we have
Yep. Susano.
What is that? The leaf, the leaf is smiling. Okay, so
Let's play bamboozle.
yes, we will play bamboozle now because we had already finished having the words. So now let us play. Let
Teacher,
me just
I Team Rolando.
Team Rolando. How about Jang? What is the name of
Team,
your team?
Teams Baby 3. Team Baby 3. Team Baby 3.
I
Teacher
will.
quiz.
I want
Team
classic.
1. I Team 1. I Team 1.
I
All
want.
right.
I want.
Quiz. Quiz.
I want.
Quiz. I got
Why
quiz.
quiz?
Cluster. 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 No. Quiz. Rock, paper, scissors. Cluster.
Oh,
Cluster.
wait. Shh.
Cluster. Cluster.
Wait.
Cluster.
Wait. The first.
Cluster.
The listen. The first one to raise hands. Okay. Game. The first one to raise hands here in the camera.
Okay,
Wait.
I raise hand in Zoom.
No, in the camera. In the camera. The first one to raise hands in the camera. If I don't see your hands in the camera, so you will know. No, not the hands in the Zoom, in the camera.
Okay.
Okay. So now, so the first one to raise hands will get to choose. Okay. So 3, 2, 1, go. Oh,
First.
okay. One more
First.
time. One more time. You both raise your hands. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. I saw Nam first. Oh no. So we'll have a quiz. Okay. So since Nam get to choose
Two. Team
team.
Baby 3. Team Ronaldo. Team Baby 3. I Team 1. I Team 1.
Oh,
I want Team 1. I want Team 1. I want Team 1. I
okay.
want
So
Team 1.
yes, we will give team 1 to Jang because you get to choose what kind of bamboozle we get today. So now, what is the name
Yee.
of your team, Jang? Team
Baby 3.
Baby 3? Like this? Okay, now choose a number. So we just have a few numbers here. Choose. Number.
Number.
Team Baby 3, what number? Team Baby 3, what number? Jang, what
Number
number?
3.
Oh, number 3. Okay. Okay, what is this? Team
It's
Baby 3.
Olive.
Very good. It is the leaf. Okay, next. Team Ronaldo.
I choose number 2.
Number 2. What is this?
It's an apple.
It's an apple. Very good. Next. What number? What number? Chinin,
Number
chinin, chinin.
6.
Oh, number 6. What is this?
A corn. Yeah.
It's a corn. Very good. Next. Team Ronaldo. Team Ronaldo. What
Four. Number
number?
8.
Number 8 or 4?
8.
Okay, 8. What is
It's
this?
an acorn.
Very good. Acorn.
I
Next.
choose 4. 4.
4?
Yes.
Okay, what is this?
It is a pumpkin.
It is
A pumpkin.
pumpkin or pumpkin?
Pumpkin.
Okay, very good. Pumpkin.
But 1.
Number 1.
Oh. It's
What?
an apple. It's
Not
an apple.
this. Not that.
Oh. It's a jacket.
Okay, very good.
I want choose number 5.
5. What's this?
It's a moon.
A moon. Very good.
I
Last
choose
number.
number 7. It's a red.
Okay, very good. Uh,
Yay! Oh, red star. Oh, red star. Red
restart.
star.
Okay, restart. Oh, what? Not this one. Let's find another one.
No, I'm team 1, teacher. No, I'm.
Okay, let's
team
switch.
1.
Let's switch.
Teacher,
Let's
I
switch.
team 1. I team 1.
Oh, not this one. We still didn't discuss this.
Teacher, now I team 1. Now I team 1.
Okay,
Teacher.
wait. Let's find a game.
Teacher.
Yes, wait. Can we answer this?
Iwasa, I see Iwasa.
What can we choose? It's hard. It's hard. Okay, this one. Let's have as in
24 question. I want
quiz.
Yes. Teacher, now I team 1.
Okay,
Yeah,
so
nine. Team
now
1.
team 1 is Nam
Maybe
because
3. Maybe 3.
team 1 is Nam because you are team 1 earlier. So we will just switch. Okay. Now let's choose a number.
Number 24.
24. What is another word for fall? Do you know? Is it autumn, spring, winter,
Autumn.
summer?
Autumn.
Oh, how do you pronounce that?
Autumn.
Autumn. Let's say autumn. Okay.
Autumn.
Very good. Good job. So next, team
Number
baby.
3. Number 3.
Okay, what are these? Are these oranges, grapes, lemons, or apples?
They are apple.
Okay, very good. So they are apples. Next, number 1. Okay, what is this place called? Is it a horse barn, baseball field, corn maze, or amusement park?
Corn maze.
Okay, let's
Corn maze.
check. Okay, very good. So it is a corn maze. Next, team
Number 5.
5. Oh, what is 1 month in fall?
Oh, it's
Is it March, May, August, or October?
August.
Shh. Are you sure?
No, March.
Are you sure? Final answer? What's your final answer?
October.
Are you sure?
May.
Huh? May?
Yes. Teacher, May. She say May. Teacher.
Okay, wait. Let's check first. Okay, what is your final answer, Jang?
May.
March? Final
May.
answer?
May.
May?
August.
May?
August.
Okay, let's check. Final answer?
It's August.
Oh no, it's not May.
It's August. August. March.
Are you sure?
March.
No, it's not
August.
March.
It's August. August.
No,
Yay!
it's
You done.
October. It's October. So March is summer. Also May. March to May is summer. Or March, I think March to August is summer, but October is the start. Oh no. Next,
Chill.
number
Chill.
2. What do you use a rake for? Is it finding vegetables, raking up leaves,
Raking
spreading?
up leaf. No,
Okay.
playing
Okay, next.
number 4. 4.
4. Okay. Which is a holiday in the fall? Is it Thanksgiving, St. Patrick's Day, Father's Day, or Valentine's Day?
Father's Day.
Huh? Are you sure? Look
No.
at this. Look at this. Look at the picture. It is a famous holiday in the USA.
Holiday.
Yes. Is it Thanksgiving? A Father's Day is in July, I think. It is not in the fall.
I
Valen
want this.
Valen
St. Patrick's Day.
Oh, are you sure? St. Patrick's Day?
I Thanksgivings.
Final answer?
Yes.
Okay, very
Yay!
good. It's
Thanksgiving.
Yes, it's Thanksgiving, especially in the fall, so we can see a lot of pumpkins. So it's Thanksgiving.
I see a chicken banana.
Yes, chicken. Very good. Good
Banana.
job. Okay, next. Team
Hey.
Ronaldo. Number
Six.
6.
Yeah.
Okay, what is this? Is it a cookie, cake, brownie, or pie?
Brownie. No, brownie. Brownie. It's
Are you
brownie.
sure?
No cake. No pie. No
What is
cake.
what is
It's cake.
what
It's cookie.
wait,
Cookie.
what is your
Cookie.
final answer?
Cookie. Cookie.
Pie.
Cookie.
Oh,
Cookie.
pie.
Cookie.
It is pie. Very good.
One choose 18.
18.
Thì nhìn cái nón bây giờ ổn không?
Okay. So what do people wear on Halloween? Helmets, socks, costumes, backpacks.
Helmet. Helmets. Helmets.
Huh? Are you sure?
Helmets. Helmet.
What?
Helmet.
One more time. Let's say costumes.
Customer.
Về chưa?
Costumes, not customer. Costumes.
Costume.
Costumes.
Vâng.
Costume.
Okay, very good. Good job. So they wear costumes. Next,
Number
Ronaldo.
12.
Okay, what is these? Are these leaves, flowers, rocks, or hay? Okay, very good. It's a hay. Next,
I want choose 7.
7. Okay. What are these? Pineapple, carrots, watermelon, or pumpkins? What are these?
Pumpkin.
Team Baby
Pumpkin.
Tree. Shh, no answering
it's
if it's not
carrot.
your turn.
It's carrot. Carrot.
Huh?
It's
Is it a carrot?
Yes, it's carrot. It's carrot. Carrot. Carrots. Yes.
It's your turn. You want to check your answer, Jang?
Pumpkin. Pumpkin.
Okay, it's your turn. Why your answer is wrong?
7.
Okay, what number, Ronaldo?
11.
11. Okay. What is this? Is it a witch, Santa Claus, scarecrow, farmer?
Scarecrow. Witch.
What?
Witch.
Scare?
Scarecrow.
Okay, very good. Scarecrow. Next. Number? Oh no. Jang lagged. Hello, Jang. Super 8. Okay. Which is a holiday in the fall? Is it New Year's, 4th of July, Halloween, or Christmas?
Halloween.
Okay, very good. It's Halloween. Next, Team Ronaldo. What? 9?
Yes.
Okay. What sport is most watched on the weekends in fall? Is it football, golf, tennis, or swimming?
Swimming. Swimming.
Golf.
Swimming. Swimming.
Golf?
Golf. Yeah.
Golf? Are you sure?
Yes. Yes. It's golf.
Final
Golf.
answer?
Golf. Tennis. Tennis.
Tennis?
Swimming.
Swimming? Are you sure?
Yes.
Look at
Yes.
look at-
Yes.
look
Yes.
at the
It's
picture.
golf. Golf. Golf.
Final answer? Look at the picture. Is it golf?
Yes. Golf.
What is your final answer? Go
It's
now.
not. It's not football. Not football.
What's your
Not
final answer?
Golf. Golf.
Oh, golf?
Not football.
Are you sure?
Not football.
Let's check. If,
Football.
what?
Football.
What's your final answer? It's
Football.
okay.
No, it's not football.
It's football. Yes, so this one is football. It's not golf. Okay, so very good. So next, Team Baby 3.
Football là bóng đá. 10.
10. Okay. What can we wear in the fall? Sandals, shorts, flip-flops, or scarf?
Shots. Shots.
Oh, based on this picture,
Short.
what is the girl wearing?
No, it's it is scarf. Sandals.
What is the girl wearing? Look at the picture.
Flip-flops. Flip-flops.
Does she
Scarf.
wear a flip-flops?
Scarf.
This
Scarf.
one.
Scarf. Scarf. Scarf.
Final answer?
Yes.
Very good.
Yee.
Scarf. Okay. Why did you say the answer now? It's not your turn. Next.
Because it's less than.
Oh, it's okay. Junk can still. Okay, next number.
17.
17. Okay, what is
It's
this?
an acorn.
Very
No,
good.
it's
Wow, so
peanuts.
fun. Peanuts.
Peanuts among us.
Next
Peanuts
number.
among us.
Team Baby
23.
3.
23.
What? 23.
23. It's
What? What's
9.
what sport is this? Okay, one last question for this.
Basketball.
Huh? Is it a basketball?
No.
What
It's
sport?
hockey. Hockey.
Huh?
Hockey.
Is this
It's hockey.
hockey?
Football.
Yeah. Okay, very good. This is a football. So this one is hockey, not that one. This one is hockey. Hockey is this. And golf is this one, golf. So football's ball is this. Ching. This is a football. Okay, wow. So very good to the both of you. So since we do not have much time,
Green.
yes, we will continue this game next class, okay? We will continue this on Thursday, okay?
Goodbye,
Okay.
teacher.
So make sure you review, okay? So goodbye.
Goodbye,
Goodbye.
teacher.
Review next
Goodbye,
time.
teacher.
Bye-bye.